welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a simple and easy neck back design for the blouse. Mark 2.5 inches for the neck. Length of the neck is 9 inches. Here I am marking 2.5 inches from the downward and joining it all together with the 2.5 inches of the upper side. Shoulder 3 inches, armhole 6 inches, chest 10 inches, I am taking 1 inches extra. Now I am showing you how to make round shape for the armhole. So friends, that was the back side. Now I will make design of the neck. Here I am marking 1.5 inches and making the design. So this is the design, and now I will show you how to cut it. Make sure that you cut it carefully without damaging the design. I have made a curvy design. You can make a straight or round shape design as well. This is how you can make neck design of the blouse. Cut the fabric in round shape for the armhole. So friends, that was the neck designing of the blouse. Friends, do try this. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.